Thinking too much makes you easily worried. Caring too much makes you easily tired. Pull your hands apart and hold. Stick to it for 10 minutes in the morning and evening, and your stomach will be flat and your waist will be thin. Keep doing it every day, and the results will be significant. 100 reps in the morning on an empty stomach. No matter how big your back is. Do this action often after the age of 35. Pelvic floor muscle relaxation for 7 days. Hold your hands on your knees and stand on one leg. Stick to it for 1 week and lose 10 circles of weight. One moment exercises both the cervical and lumbar vertebrae. Siphoning hard stance with toes standing with waist and abdomen full of energy to open up the three energizers. Stretching arms and waist to the side in hard stance. One move for neck, shoulders, waist, legs and arms. 100 reps in the morning on an empty stomach. Straight back, head and tail, waist like boiling soup.